Hi, this is Jeanie Shea, your Hoover Realtor, and these are Jeannie's favorite top 5 main level living neighborhoods in Hoover. So today I'm featuring CreekSide. And some of you may know, CreekSide is located in the heart of Trace Crossings. And what I love about CreekSide, it is a very contained neighborhood. There's one big loop that the houses are built around with some streets in between. But the vast majority of these homes have a master bedroom on the main level. They have main level garage, and many of them have more than one bedroom on the main level. There are a lot of floor plans in this neighborhood that have 3 bedrooms on the main level, 2 full baths, and they may or may not have a finished bonus room upstairs. Now this is what I know. The last 2 homes I sold in CreekSide went lickety-split fast because, just like you, there are lots of other people who are looking for a home that has the amenities that CreekSide has. There is a creek that separates the front side of CreekSide from the back side of CreekSide. The reason I want you to know that is because the back side of CreekSide is Shelby County, which equals lower taxes. The front side of CreekSide is Jefferson County. What I also know about this neighborhood, it's a great area to walk. And there's so many homeowners that are out walking their dogs, but it's just a great friendly neighborhood. CreekSide has its own little back entrance out the back of Trace Crossings, so you can slip off on Brock's Gap, slip out the back of the neighborhood and avoid the traffic in the front where the Hoover High School is and those sorts of things. So if you're looking for a great main level living community, call me. I'm happy to share with you all the great things about CreekSide and my other top 4 main level living communities in Hoover. I'm easy to reach at 205-249-0097.